Welcome to a really shitty camera video. What is going on, guys? It is your boy, Gradical Gaming. Well, this is me. You might have seen my face before. Maybe you have, maybe you haven't. Well, this is me. You know, I wanted to do something different. I haven't really, come up with, any ideas or anything. And I'm thinking that today, we're gonna build something. It just came in the mail today, and I feel like it'd be, the perfect opportunity to. We're gonna make this big ol' 3-tiered shelf. We're gonna go ahead and open this box here. Got my pocket knife with me. Don't play with knives, kids. So, let's see. What are we gonna do here? I think this is how you open it. We're gonna say, screw the knife, and we're gonna use our bare knuckles, or actually our hands, but we'll open it this way, maybe it'll be easier. I don't understand why they had to deliver such difficult packaging. Alright, so we got the box open, so now we're gonna look inside. So we got styrofoam, looks like. Looks pretty simple enough. We got the shelves. This, it's got styrofoam stuff on it. So we'll put those down here. We got our instructions. We got some long poles. We got 6 of those. 4 feet. 4 feet. We got 1 top cap. And 3 shelves. Sounds easy enough. Well, that's just confusing. So it says on the instructions that shelf number 3 is okay. I'm gonna have to look at these directions later. So far, it does not look like the pictures. Because there's no fucking holes. Which is confusing. Oh, it's upside down. Never mind. Okay. Just don't fucking listen to me. Because I'm not an expert at building furniture. Perfect. You know the one thing I don't like about styrofoam? Is I get all this shit all over me. This little white speckies. Bring it up a little closer. See those white little speckies? Fucking everywhere. Okay. So, because I know this is probably gonna take a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and do a time lapse of this build, and I'll put some epic music over it for you guys to listen to. So I don't know how I just did this, but I'll lift it up for you guys to see. I'm almost done with it. But somehow I interlocked it so that my cord goes through and around. I don't know if that could give you a better view. So, I don't know how my dumbass just did that, but yeah. Alright guys, so I am done with the 3-tiered shelf. I'm gonna get up real quick and show you guys the final product. So, if we move my computer chair out of the way here. So, as you can see, this is our 3-tiered shelf. I can link you guys if you want one of these in the the description. They were only like, I think it was $25 or $30 or something. I'm gonna put it over here for now. But it was like $25 to $30 or something like that on Amazon, and it took me no more than 15 minutes to build the entire thing. So, I mean, if you guys want to, if you guys need like a corner shelf or like tier shelf or something like that for extra space or room or whatever, you guys can go ahead and pick one off the link I will put in the description from Amazon. Like I said, $25, $30, something like that. It's actually really nice. It's really nice quality and has enough space and stuff, so I don't really see a problem with it. Anyways, guys, that is the 3-tier shelf build. I really hope you guys do enjoy this video. Just thought I'd make it something different, something new, something exciting. If you guys do like the video, and you guys like the idea of it, go ahead and leave a like down below. Make sure you guys subscribe for more content from me. And maybe next video I could build something new. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.